Hey, hello, my name is Santiago Lastra, and today we're gonna make a salad of seaweeds with asparagus and some tomatoes that is inspired in the Mexican cactus salad, ensalada de nopal. And then we're gonna serve with a dressing of ancho chili, sunflower seeds, kombucha, and a tiny bit of rapeseed oil with miso. Okay, so we take our chili and we're gonna open it to take out the seeds. Okay. Like this. So we're gonna toast the chilies. Really careful, the pan doesn't have to be like really crazy hot because otherwise they burn. So just in both sides to take out the excess of moisture that you could have. And for blending that, we're gonna use a molcajete. So now we're gonna take a bit of sunflower seeds that are previously toasted. And we're gonna start blending, just like that, until it's a fine powder. We can add a little bit of salt to it. Then we're gonna add our chilies. Basically, this process, if you're making it in the mortar, you need to be patient to really work it hard. Okay, and then we're gonna add then a bit of miso paste and some kombucha as well. Okay, and now we're gonna cook our seaweeds. You can use any seaweed that you have. We have 2 direct today. We can use nori or dulse or any seaweed. This one will cook for 45 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna take our asparagus with a peeler, of course. And then we're gonna take from the bottom to the top. We're gonna make some slices like that. And the rest we're just going to cut it. Then we take tomatoes. Let's put them here. Maybe like 3 each. And we're gonna go to the steamer. Okay, so after a minute and a half, there you go. So we're just gonna put them in the cold water and we're gonna prep them. So basically it's just gonna cut them in small pieces. Half. It's fine. Here. And the tomatoes as well, we're gonna peel them. They're really easy to peel like this. There you go. And we're gonna cut them in 2 pieces, basically. Okay, so now we're ready to plate. We have asparagus, tomatoes, the seaweeds, the sauce, and some herbs, a bit of salt, and that's it. Let's get to it. So we season our tomatoes and our asparagus. Put some in the bottom of the plate. You can do it as you want, you know, but it's good to have like some space. Then the tomatoes. And then we're gonna continue with some of the seaweeds. We can crush them a little bit. And just go like that. Some of our asparagus crudités with a bit of salt as well. Finish with some ice plant. I mean, you can put coriander, you can put chervil, whatever you have at home. There you go, this is the dish. And then we're basically going to serve it with the sauce in the side. We're gonna eat it, but before that, we're gonna pair it with a royal flush real kombucha. That is basically the most amazing non-alcoholic drink. Beautiful bubbles. Perfect pairing, the real kombucha with our asparagus and seaweed salad. So let's see how it was. Amazing. Have a good day. Stay at home. Take care of each other and let's just cook. Cheers. Well, we're pretty much done here, but remember to follow the link below so you can donate to support all our amazing hospitality friends to get help in these crazy times. Cheers.